Hello everyone, welcome to the data science playlist of Tech Sattva. Here's a new topic, that is exploratory data analysis, a visual journey. Okay, so we'll dive into the key concepts, visualize data and powerful tools, and learn how to discover hidden patterns and insights in this video. Right, so let's dive in. First is EDA versus hypothesis testing. So now what is EDA? EDA refers to exploratory data analysis. EDA focuses on understanding the structure of data, exploring relationships and identifying patterns. This is crucial steps before you begin hypothesis testing. Now what is hypothesis testing? Hypothesis testing involves drawing conclusions about population parameters from sample data and using statistical tests. It's a structured process for evaluating a specific hypothesis. So this is all about EDA and hypothesis testing. Moving to bar graphs with response overlay. So bar graphs is a great method to display the output of our work. First one is visualizing categorical data. Bar graphs are ideal for visualizing categorical data, providing a clear comparison of different groups. Next is adding response overlay. Overlaying response variables adds another layer of information, enabling you to see how different categories relate to the response. Next is insights and trends. This technique helps identify potential trends and patterns, leading to a deeper understanding of your data. Right. Constructing bar graph with overlay in Python. Okay, now how to construct bar graph with overlay? So the points are: import libraries. First of all, import all the necessary libraries. Start by importing necessary libraries such as matplotlib or seaborn, which provide powerful visualization tools. Second is data preparation. Organize your data into suitable formats, making sure the categorical variables are properly defined. Next is plot the bar graph. Use appropriate plotting functions to create your bar graph and specify the overlay variable to display the desired information. Moving on to the next, constructing bar graphs with overlay in R. So we have learned about constructing bar graphs and using Python. Now we are understanding in R language. Okay, so first is ggplot2 library. The ggplot2 library in R is widely used for creating aesthetically pleasing and informative graphs. Now code structure: use ggplot to create the base graph and geom bar for the bars and geom_point for the overlay. Next, customization options. Customize your graphs with various aesthetic like colors, labels and titles to enhance the readability of the graphs. Next is contingency tables. Okay, so contingency tables, first is cross tabulation. Contingency tables present the joint distribution of two or more categorical variables, allowing you to analyze their relationships. Okay, next is analyzing relationships. By examining in the cell counts in a contingency table, you can understand how categories interact and identify potential associates. Next is statistical testing. Contingency tables are used in various statistical tests such as chi-square test to evaluate relationships between categorical variables. Right. Next is constructing contingency tables in Python. So how to construct contingency tables in Python? First is pandas library. The pandas libraries provide powerful data manipulation capabilities and including the ability to create contingency tables. Next is cross tabulation function. The pd.crosstab function is used to create a contingency table from your data. Result analysis. The resulting table provides insights into the joint distribution of the tables, enabling you to analyze their relationships. Next is histograms with response overlay. Visualizing continuous data. Histograms are effective for visualizing the distribution of continuous data, showing how often different values occur. Overlaying response variables. So overlaying response variables on histograms allows you to see how the distribution of continuous data varies across the different response of categories. Insights and patterns. The visualization helps identify patterns in the data and understand how continuous variables relate to the response. Now, summary of EDA techniques that we have discovered today is EDA versus hypothesis testing, bar graphs versus response overlay, contingency tables in Python, histogram with response overlay. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video with new topic. Do comments in the comment section. If you have any doubts, please subscribe to my channel Tech Sadhwa and press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.